On 14th August 1947, Pakistan attained freedom from the British and Hindus' rule. Every year, August 14 is celebrated as the Independence Day in Pakistan. This national festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over the country. The Independence Day of any country is a moment of pride and glory. On this special occasion, rich tributes are paid to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives and fought to free their motherland from the clutches of the oppressor, British who ruled the country. The story of freedom is a continuous struggle of 100 years of the Muslim of subcontinent. I remember the days when all the Muslims were united for the great cause of Pakistan. I remember the days when the Muslims were devoted for the cause of their freedom. I remember the days when the Muslims were devoted for their slogans. The man who have the leadership abilities of a great lawyer of subcontinent. Yes, you are right. I am talking about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Let's salute the father of nation of his great efforts for the establishment of Pakistan. It is because of our great Quaid-e-Azam that we are living in an independent country. We are no longer the slaves of Hindus and British Raj. So once I salute the great Quaid for his sincere efforts. At the end, we should always protect our homeland from enemies. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.